How to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone with PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone with a PC. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Tap the three dots in the top left corner. Here, reach the settings and select the Chats option. Now choose Transfer Chats and hit the Start button. Next, it will start the transferring chats procedure. After that, navigate to the WhatsApp application. Following that, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. Then, reach the settings and select the Chats option. Tap on Chat Backup and create a backup to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone using a PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.